In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the blur control and how to use it for a clean, polished look. First, open Adobe Express. You can launch it in your browser or the app, and if you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your work can be saved automatically. Give it a moment to load the home screen. That's where all your projects and tools live. Next, click Start New Design. This button takes you into a fresh canvas so you can begin working right away. Don't worry too much about the initial size at this stage. You can resize later if needed. The goal is simply to get into the editor so we can bring in a photo and adjust it. When you're in, select the sample option. This is a quick way to jump into a ready-to-edit canvas or template, which helps you skip setup and focus on the blur effect. Using a sample is great for practice because you can test settings without touching your original files. Once the sample opens, you'll see the main workspace with panels for content and adjustments. Now, select Media. This opens the area where you can add images to your design. You'll typically see options to upload from your device, use existing libraries, or browse connected sources. Choose the route that's convenient for you. If you're unsure what to pick, uploading from your device is the most straightforward. Select the photo you want to blur. Pick an image where blur will improve the overall feel, maybe to soften distracting details, create a dreamy atmosphere, or draw attention to text you'll add later. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. After you select it, the photo should appear on your canvas. Click it once to make sure it's active. With the photo selected, click Adjust and find Blur. The Adjust panel contains visual controls like brightness, contrast, ambiance, and saturation. Look for the blur slider and move it slowly to the right to increase the effect. Start subtle. Small increments often look more professional than a heavy blur. Watch the preview as you drag and aim for a natural softness that reduces distractions without muddying important shapes. If you're enhancing a background, a light blur can help text stand out. For a stylized look, go a bit further, but keep edges readable. If you go too far, just pull the slider back until it feels right. That's it. You opened Express, started a new design, used a sample, added your media, selected your photo, and applied blur through the Adjust panel. Practice a few times, trust your eye, and you'll get a beautifully balanced